The Beast, a vehicle unlike any other. A moving fortress designed to protect the most powerful person in the world, the President of the United States. This is not just a car. Officially known as Cadillac One and often nicknamed the Beast, it is a symbol of power, security, and cutting-edge technology. Built by General Motors, the Beast is more than a luxury limousine. It's a rolling fortress on wheels. Wherever the president goes, whether in bustling cities or dangerous conflict zones, the Beast is there, ready to protect. The Beast weighs a staggering 20,000 pounds, making it as heavy as a small tank. Its body is made of military-grade armor, including steel, aluminum, titanium, and ceramic to withstand bullets, bombs, and even chemical attacks. The 5-inch thick bulletproof windows are made from a combination of polycarbonate and glass, ensuring the safety of everyone inside. The tires? Virtually indestructible. They're reinforced with Kevlar and can run even when punctured. The interior is just as impressive. It's sealed to protect against biological and chemical attacks. The president has access to advanced communication systems, allowing them to stay connected to the world at all times. The Beast even carries a supply of the president's blood type in case of emergencies, along with advanced medical equipment. And if things get heated, it's equipped with its own firefighting system, smoke screens, and tear gas dispensers to handle any threat. Under the hood lies a powerful diesel engine capable of moving this massive vehicle with surprising speed and agility. It may not win a race, but it's built for endurance and reliability. Despite its size, the Beast can handle steep inclines and challenging terrain without breaking a sweat. Of course, the Beast doesn't travel alone. It's always part of a motorcade, surrounded by Secret Service agents and specialized vehicles designed to counter any threat. Together, they form a near-impenetrable shield around the president. Whether it's a direct attack or an attempt at surveillance, the Beast and its team are always ready to respond. The Beast is the latest in a long line of presidential vehicles, each more advanced than the last. From Franklin D. Roosevelt's Sunshine Special to John F. Kennedy's Lincoln Continental, these cars have always represented a blend of innovation and tradition. But the Beast stands in a league of its own, representing the pinnacle of automotive engineering and security. The Beast is more than a car. It's a statement, a symbol of protection, resilience, and the power of modern technology. Wherever the president goes, this rolling fortress ensures one thing: safety above all else. Want to see more incredible vehicles like this? Subscribe to The Drive Hub and join us as we explore the world of engineering marvels.